get that money. Pocket like wall when me stack that money. Right. Nimba. Them fin a righteous virus. And it's all about FAIM and Jahmark promotion in association with Island Boy Cafe. Present their first annual Oneness Vibes Festival. Me a talk about Friday, March 10. Make sure you reach by 7 p.m. Live performances by Jahmark, Tafari Watkis, Tonychin, Atara, Cyrilia, lennoxb, Empressakua, Synista, and much more. Music by djsluum, mcjunorfrancis. Entry that's free with all your awesomeness. No mistake, that's Oneness Vibes Festival, the 10th of March. Place to be 5025 West Speaker Boulevard. You know that Los Angeles, California. You're here, make sure you reach, cause the one you go say.